Me again, and here's the video of the catalog that goes to the grandfather clock. Has the original owner's name, model number circled where he lived, and when it was put into use, and has written when I partially cleaned it, and then showing 3 different models they offered. Mine's the one in the middle, and has all the instructions. I'm not going to show you all this stuff, but yeah, anyhow, that's the catalog to it. Here's the back, and they're used to sell parts for these, of course. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.